Fly through text in DaVinci Resolve. First, take your clip and put it on the edit page. Go to Effects and under Titles, select text and put it below your video clip. Cut it to the 2/3 of the video clip. Select the video and under Composite, select Multiply. Now select the text clip and then adjust the font or the size of the text you want. Then go to the settings and enable dynamic zoom. Then click on swap. Again, select dynamic zoom and drag the red rectangle inside one of the letters. Now use the blade tool and cut the extra part of the video clip. Click on it, go to composite and select normal.